have a spaghetti tonight?
No, not tonight, honey. I've already made
The taco box?
No, love bug, not tacos.
Chicken nuggets?
No, you had those last night and the night before. And the night before that. You need to eat something healthy so you can grow up big and strong just like your sister.
But I don't want to be like her. She's mean.
Well, how about this? If you take one bite and you don't like it, I'll heat up those chicken nuggets for you.
Dealio, but I want them with lots of ketchup this time.
You still want those nuggets?
No, Mommy, I want more of this.
We have all got those picky eaters in our lives, and that's exactly where this Panko Crusted Salmon recipe comes in handy. The salmon is super tender, it has a crunchy breadcrumb coating, and it's bursting with fresh lemon, garlic, and herb flavors. To start, you'll need 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 pounds of salmon. If you want a healthier variety, opt for one that is wild caught. If you're okay sacrificing a bit of nutrition for flavor, a sustainably farm-raised fish is a great option. Verlasso is my go-to for this. Leaving the skin intact, cut the salmon into 4, 5 to 6 ounce fillets. And don't worry, you can easily remove the skin after cooking and before serving it to those picky palates. Then, place the fillets skin side down into a 13 by 9 or 7 by 10 inch baking dish at least half of an inch apart that has been sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. Using a pastry brush, spread 2 teaspoons of DIJON mustard over all of the fillets and sprinkle with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Next, we'll whisk up that panko crumb topping. So go ahead and grab a medium-sized bowl and add 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. You can use a gluten-free variety if needed. 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh parsley. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh dill. 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk this all together until it's well combined. Then, drizzle with 2 tablespoons of melted butter and mix until the crumbs are evenly coated. Scoop up 1/4 cup of the topping and sprinkle this over each fillet. Then, press it into the fish slightly. Cover the baking dish with a piece of aluminum foil and bake the salmon in a preheated 425-degree oven for 12 to 14 minutes. This will largely depend on how thick your fillets are. Remove the foil and continue baking uncovered for an additional 4 to 5 minutes. You'll know the fish is done cooking when the thickest portion flakes easily with a fork. Serve the salmon up immediately with additional lemon zest and parsley, or you can always leave it off so you don't scare away those picky eaters. Now it's my turn to taste this. Oh my goodness, not only are those lemon, garlic, and herb flavors so incredible, but then you get that tender texture of the fish mixed with that crunchy topping. Mwah! Oh my goodness, it's so good. I can't wait to hear what you think. You know the drill. Leave me a comment and let me know. Also, if you need a few more dishes to please those picky palates, and I have got you covered, check out these recipes right over here. Thanks so much for hanging out. I will see you in the next one.